Up for grabs here on eBay, J.E. Shekels. We have a carrier split system here. This was manufactured in 2007. This is a used model, but will be in perfect working order. So Daryl, tell me a little bit about this.
This unit was taken out of one of our customers that wanted to go more high efficiency. It ran until taken out. It was a prior install of ours. It's a carrier air-cooled condensing unit, 2007 model. Has a cast iron compressor, and it was in working order.
Okay, do a walk around here. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.